Hey friends, welcome back to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through my honest stay experience of one of the most loved properties here in Thekkady, which is Crown Valley Resort. So let's start with the exterior of the resort. The moment you arrive, you are greeted by lush greenery, tall trees and that peaceful vibe Kerala is so famous for. It genuinely feels like living in the middle of nature. You'll hear birds chirping all around, and there's always that fun little fear of monkeys peeking into your room, which just adds to the whole jungle-like experience. Now coming to the room tour, I stayed in their Crown Executive AC room. The room was quite spacious, cozy, and had all the basics needed for a comfortable stay. It's designed more for relaxation than luxury, but it does the job if you want a peaceful time away from the city rush. Now let me talk about the overall vibe. Being here felt refreshing. The greenery, the sounds of nature, and that raw Kerala atmosphere. Another point worth mentioning is that while the property is beautiful, it does need better maintenance. The natural charm is there, but if upkeep is not done properly, the experience can fall short of what such a nice location deserves. One of the best parts of the property is definitely the rooftop restaurant. The views from up there are breathtaking. You get to see panoramic landscapes filled with greenery, misty air, and the true charm of Thekkady. Sitting there makes you feel like you're on top of the world. But here comes the honest part, the food. Honestly, this was a big disappointment for me. If you're someone with North Indian taste buds like mine, you might struggle. Most of the dishes completely lacked masalas or spices and everything felt quite bland. I even tried the tea, but it was extremely bitter and had no milk. So food-wise, it really didn't match up to my expectations. Moving on to the amenities, the resort has a children's play area, a lovely garden where you can just sit back and enjoy the breeze, and even a small gym for fitness enthusiasts. These little add-ons make it family-friendly and good for longer stays. So to sum it up, Crown Valley Resort in Thekkady is a beautiful property if you want to live close to nature, wake up to bird song, and enjoy that authentic Kerala vibe. Would I recommend it? Yes. If you are looking purely for nature-filled stay with good views and peaceful surroundings, definitely yes. But if food is an important part of your travel experience, this might not be the best fit for you. So that's about it. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And it's me, PriyankkaDadwal, saying ciao for now. See you in my next video. Bye.